In this video we will talk about custom menus. By default, most themes including Cadence theme automatically puts every page you create into its primary navigation menu. This is nice because you don't have to add pages to your menu every time you create pages. But the problem is, what if you don't want certain pages to appear on the navigation menu? And what if you want to rearrange the menus? Or you want to nest menus? This is done by creating custom menus. By creating custom menus, you can add to the menu only the items you want to be shown on your navigation menu, rearrange menus, and nest menus. To create a custom menu, just head over to Appearance menu, then go to Menus. To create a menu, just put the name that you want to set to your menu on this text box. Then make sure that you attach it to the primary menu, because if you don't attach it to the primary menu or other menu locations at all, your menu will not show up anywhere in your website. Be sure to save your menu first, so you can start the next step. Now, the next step is to add menu items to your custom menu. You can add pages, posts, categories, and static menus on your custom menu. First, let's add a page menu item. Let's add the page we created in the past videos. Just click its checkbox. Then click the Add Menu button. Next, let's add some categories to the menu. Let's view all the categories in the View All tab. Let's check the categories we want. Then click Add to Menu. Next, let's add a post to the menu, the one that we created in the past videos. Let's view the View All tab to show all the posts. Then select the post and click Add to Menu. You can also use the Search tab if you have too many posts. When it's too hard to find the post that you're looking for, just enter the title of your post to the search feature. You can also do the search feature in categories or pages. You can also add custom links to your menus. Just put the link you want here on this text box. Let's add google.com as an example. Then let's add Google to the link text. Now let's add some blank link. We will also use custom link for this. Just put a # to your URL text box. We will use this blank link to nest menu items to contain the categories menu items. You can also add a link to the blank link if you want, but for me I'll just leave it to # because I don't want the visitor to redirect to a link when he or she clicks the category link. # is set to a link if you don't want anything to happen when you click your link. Let's add the link text, categories, to the text box. Then click the Add to Menu button. Now let's put the categories blank link to the top. To rearrange menu items, just click and drag it anywhere you want. In this case, I'll put it to the top part. Then let's drag the category menus to the right, so it will be children of the blank link, which we named categories. You can also further nest the categories by dragging the items into the right once more. Note that you can do further nestings of menu items. But notice that when you want to remove the menu item's child status, we can't drag it to the left to remove it from being a child of a menu item. So what we can do to resolve this is to just drag it outside the parent menu item. You can delete menu items by clicking its down arrow to reveal its options, then by clicking Remove. Now, let's bring out the Build a Website post from inside the categories nested menu, because it's not a category, it's a post. Now let's save our menu. We can create new menus by clicking this Create a New Menu link. Let's name it Secondary Menu, but this time, I will not assign it to any menu locations because I don't want it to display in any parts of my website. Then let's just repeat the process. Now, let's preview our custom menu. Here you can see that the arrangement of these menu items are exactly the same as we did in the custom menu on our WordPress dashboard. Then, if we click on this Create a Page, which is a page, it will bring us to its page. If we click here on the Build a Website post, it will bring us to the said post. Then if we click on this 3D modeling category, which is not linked to any post, WordPress will show this page, because it cannot find any post that is linked with this specific category. If we click on this graphic design category, which is linked to all the posts on this site, WordPress will show all the posts that is linked to this category. And if we click on this static menu that is linked to google.com, it will bring us to google.com. Now, what if we want to edit our previously created custom menu? That's just easy. Just head again to Appearance menu, then click the menu link. If you only created one custom menu, it will automatically display that custom menu. But if you created multiple menus like we did earlier, you must select the menu you want to edit first on this drop-down menu. Then just click the Select button. Then you can now edit your menu. Now, maybe you're curious what does that # does to our link. Let's try to click the Categories menu item that we set the #. See, when a visitor clicks that menu item, nothing happens. And this is the end of this video.